You're about to learn something that you might not have realized is actually possible. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and Bitcoin IRA. For years, people have been using IRAs to save for their golden years. But what most people don't know is that you can now invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies inside of your IRA. Bitcoin IRA is the platform that connects and gives you the ability to trade Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies inside of your IRA. The types of IRAs that are included on the Bitcoin IRA platform are your traditional IRAs, your Roth IRAs, your SEP IRAs, and your SIMPLE IRAs. And for 2023, you can use the funds from your existing IRA or you can make new contributions. For 2023, that's up to $6,500 for a traditional or Roth IRA, $15,500 for a SIMPLE IRA, and $66,000 for the SEP IRA. And the catch-up contribution, if you're 50 or older, is $1,000 for the traditional or the Roth IRA and $3,500 for the SIMPLE IRA. Now, because the SEP IRA is only employer funded, there are no catch-up contributions. And for those interested in a mega tax-free saving and investing strategy, that's a total contribution of up to $72,500. And if you're 50 or older, $73,500. That's a total contribution over multiple accounts each and every single year. And you might be wondering which cryptocurrencies you can trade on the Bitcoin IRA platform. Well, it's a lot. You'll have access to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, and a ton of others. And this all started back in 2016 when Bitcoin IRA's founders brought the first cryptocurrency IRA to the world and has been the market leader ever since. Here's how they do it. Bitcoin IRA is a platform that connects consumers like you to qualified custodians, digital wallets, and cryptocurrency exchanges. And Bitcoin IRA is the industry-leading crypto IRA platform. And you can buy and sell online 24/7. You're going to get access to tax-free investing, and that's going to come through your IRA. So if you put it into the traditional side, you're going to reduce your taxable income in the year that you're making those contributions. Or if you're using your Roth IRA, you're going to get a tax benefit because all of the growth inside of the Roth side of your IRAs will be tax-free when it comes out in retirement or for other qualified distributions. And security for the Bitcoin IRA platform is really important. That's why they offer up to $700 million in custody insurance through Lloyd's of London. And we're going to talk more about that in just a minute. And the platform has price tracking, reporting, and a ton of other tools and educational videos to help you get started. Now let's take a look at how you can get started on the Bitcoin IRA platform and get started trading crypto in 3 simple steps. The first thing you're going to do is create your account, and you can click on the link in the description at the bottom. Here's where you're going to enter in some of your basic information like your name, phone number, email address, and then you're going to go ahead and create a secure password. Step 2 is funding your account. Now you can do this in one of 2 ways. You can transfer existing assets inside of an IRA, or you can make new contributions, or you can do both. Bitcoin IRA makes it really simple, and most accounts will be ready to trade in just 3 to 5 business days. And in step 3, once your account is funded, you can start trading in real time. You can buy, sell, or swap your cryptocurrencies anytime just by logging in to the Bitcoin IRA platform. And as I mentioned before, Bitcoin IRA takes security very seriously. They have secure custody storage with BitGo, and BitGo is the leader in cryptocurrency wallet safety. And they have cold storage wallets for retirement, and cold storage wallets are the most secure method of storing digital assets. They have military-grade security and encryption, geographically dispersed to defend against hackers and thieves, and no assets are held on the Bitcoin IRA platform. In addition to that, Bitcoin IRA works with a regulated state chartered trust company to custody assets. All of these steps are set up to offer the highest level of security for your Bitcoin IRA. And 100% offline storage is available. And the BitGo wallet has 256-bit encryption and has received the rigorous SOC 2 Type 2 security certification. And all of your assets are stored offline. And BitGo offers digital asset insurance. Your digital assets are stored with BitGo, are secured with the industry-leading custody insurance through Lloyd's of London. Lloyd's of London is the world's leading insurance marketplace, which has a long history starting in a coffee shop in the 1650s. That's more than 350 years ago. What this means for you is that BitcoinIRA offers up to $700 million in custody insurance. What this all means for you is that BitcoinIRA takes security and protection very seriously. So if you're interested in investing in cryptocurrencies inside of your IRA, click on the link in the description at the bottom and get started today.